Hello friends, I am Trilochan. I hope you are safe and healthy. Today we will discuss a special variable in Python underscore name underscore and how it is working. So I have taken two modules plus and minus. So let's start with plus with a function, the plus function. So it will be the best practice to write in function in Python. That's why I'm directly write into the function. So a equals to 3. So suppose let's b equals to 2. So let's print it simply. Print a plus b. So f equals to, so we'll just execute the a plus b, right? So we are concatenate with a plus b. So this is string. So that's why I've taken string a plus b. So this will be simply this function will print a plus b equals to 5, right? So let me call this function. So plus, so without calling this function it will not run. This simple function I have written in this module plus dot py. So here is done. So let's run this first module, the plus dot py, right? For this the command will be write python plus py. Here it is, enter. Here a plus b equals to 5, it's right. So let's go to the minus dot module minus dot py. So let's copy this whole code. Yes, so let's go to the copy paste and just change it to minus, and variable you can take 9 and b equals to, suppose you can take 4. So the result will be 5, right? So it will be a minus b equals to a minus b. So here just call this minus function minus. So let me run this module minus dot py, enter. Here it is, a minus b equals to 5. That's exactly two modules are running perfectly, so in an individual way. So let's import the first module in the second one, like import plus. So now let's see what is happening. So it's imported. Now let's run this minus module. Here it is, a plus b equals to 5, a minus b equals to 5, but here it is, we haven't called this first function, the first module plus function, but still a plus b equals to 5 is running. So that's why we will use a special variable to restrict to call this my first function, because sometimes we don't need all the, like, if we import some module, so we don't need all the whatever we have written the first module, it should not be print in the second module. So let's run this. So a minus b, it's perfectly means the first module content is not printed or not executed in the second module. So it is, now we have restricted. So another plus point is, whenever we want we can call this function like plus this module name dot plus function. So here now if we run the minus dot py, so here it is, a minus b equals to a plus b. That means the everything is in our control. So let's run underscore name underscore. So let's print it, how it's behave. Let's understand what is exactly this special variable, what exactly do. So let's run the minus dot py first. Here it is, so it is printed plus, that means the module name. So when the file being imported another module, the name will be set the module's name, right? So if you run into the same file or same module, it will run as a main. So that's why we have restricted, if the name equals underscore name equals to underscore main, then run this function, otherwise it will not run. So see, this is main. So in this way you can restrict your module function in another, if you import to another module, right? I hope you understand how underscore name underscore special variable in Python is working. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and comment, subscribe. Thank you so much.